Welcome back, everyone. This is Thursday. It's the afternoon session. We are going to do a little belt prep and go over some instructions for the test. So let's get started with that. Let me look into the platform here. I want to just double check to see if there's any relevant information for the test. If not, I'll just tell you. This is just a little bit about what academic honesty versus dishonesty is. So in regards to the test, cheating means asking for help from another cohort mate, right? This is a solo test. You have to take this by yourself. You can, it's just 10 questions. It's just 10 questions. 7 of them are predict the output, and the 3 remaining are code you have to build yourself. Okay, I don't want to say too much more about that or say anything else. I think you guys understand that you shouldn't jump into anyone else's room or let anyone else jump into your breakout room. I'm going to create breakout rooms now that we're going to test rooms that we're going to go into individually. So 1 person per room. You cannot share rooms. You cannot jump around rooms or jump out of your room to ask an instructor for help. If you have a need, what you'll need to do is post it in Discord. Okay, if you post in Discord, let's see. I'm going to post one now. I'm going to say at cohort Josh V. That gives us an alert, Kobe and I am ready to be graded in room X, or I have a question in room X. Anything that you need, you have to tell us now in Discord. So you cannot jump around rooms and ask questions that way. So I have a question in room X. Okay, so whatever room number you're in, let us know so that we can find you easier. And that's how it would be. Okay. The way you're going to receive your exam is through a code. I'm going to give you a code in this Zoom chat, and you are going to go to this tab here on this nav bar above and click Take Exams.
Oh wait, Josh, are you supposed to be sharing your screen?
Oh, I thought it was sharing. So let me go ahead and share. I didn't miss much though. Okay. So where was I? Okay, this nav bar here. Oh, okay, by the way, let me just rewind a little bit. This here is the message that we can post on Discord if we need help. You can copy paste it, just change your room number. And I'll give you a code in this Zoom chat. You'll take that code, copy it, and go to Take Exams. And then you'll paste it here, and then you'll unlock and start the exam. When you unlock and start the exam, the timer starts. Okay, it's from the moment you click unlock and start the exam. The 90-minute timer is going to start from that moment. So what I would advise you guys to do is set your own timers. One for 45 minutes, that's your halfway point. Set another timer for 80 minutes, so you know when you have 10 minutes left to wrap up. And keep an eye on the timer that's on the website as well, because that's going to be a timer counting down from 90 minutes. And if you run out of time before you get to submit, then you would have lost out on getting graded, right? So you have to keep an eye on that timer. Make sure you submit your test before you get started. When you enter the exam code, you will see all the problems listed on that web page. Okay, I can't open it here because then I would be showing you guys the exam. So you'll see a web page with all the problems listed, but at the very top, you'll see a description with a link that link will give you a zip that you can download. You download that zip, open that JavaScript file in your Visual Studio editor, and open it up in your editor, and then stick your answers there in the blank spaces where it says output. It's pretty obvious where you're supposed to put your answer. Okay, and so you'll then zip up your file with your answers and submit that file. You'll submit that file when you're ready. Okay, double check your answers if you have some time left over. Okay, make sure that you you did everything right, that you didn't make a mistake, and you get another attempt, 2 more attempts after this. Okay, so looks like everyone's ready to take their exam today. Everyone's done their core assignments. So I'll stop sharing, and we can take this time to ask any questions if we have any about any problems that anything related to loops, functions, arrays, anything that we're having doubts about that we may take a little bit of time now to clarify.
I can't get that site to load. It logs me into login.codingdojo.com, and I can go to /exams after that, but it's a different screen than you're getting.
Okay.
I can share my screen if you want.
Yeah, let's share your screen. That's a good thing too.
This is what I get. So I try to do. And it just takes me here. So then I just went to.
Okay, so stay there. And so now you want to click that getting ready V22F, right? I'll highlight it for you. Give me a second to pull up that pen. Yeah, click that. Now click take exams above on that nav bar above.
Oh. Okay.
And that's where you're enter the code.
Cool. Sorry.
Yeah. Cool. All right. Okay, anyone else have any questions? Okay, it looks like we're good to go. Let's get started. Stop sharing I'm not sharing my screen, right? No. Okay, let me generate this exam code, and then I'll go ahead and share it in the chat. And let me create the breakout rooms before we do that.
I'm assuming we're not allowed to use like trace or anything like that, right?
Well, let me answer that question right after I create the breakout rooms.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I see. Once you've finished your exam, you're good to go for the rest of the day. Okay, you don't have to stick around. Once you finish your exam, you're free to go. I'm creating some hangout rooms in case you want to stay and just be there, but don't go into anybody else's test room. Okay, you can come into those after. I'm not sure what I'm going to call it. I'll think of a name. I was going to say the after party room. No, that's not it. That's not it.
I do like that though.
That's like I'll call it that. Let's see.
It's lit.
That'll be the other room's name. Okay. Okay, so about using trace, you can use it for the last 3 questions. Okay, you can use it for the last 3 questions where you have to build your own code. Does that answer your question? I wasn't seeing who was asking.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, are we like allowed to look at our platform and algo apps, or is that not the type of thing we're doing?
You can look at your own notes. You can look at anything you've ever written. You can look at anything in the platform. Anything in the Algo app, yes, you can look at that as well. So anything you've done already, that's yours.
Okay, cool.
Okay. Okay, so the rooms are open. I haven't pasted the code yet. So when I paste the code, then you can start to go to your own room. So give me one more quick minute here. It's like musical chairs. Once you claim that room, you have to like bully the person trying to take it. This is mine. No, it doesn't matter. It's just a number, right? Some people are like, I need room 7. Or I can't go in room 13.
You shouldn't have made 13.
13's in there. Just take it.
I just deleted, man.
I was just going through the loop. All right. All right. What do I need? I need to generate an exam. Okay, here we go. So like when you're doing customer service over the phone, you make that shooting laser sound when you're keeping them on hold. But you can't do that on Zoom. Even the computers now, you notice they start to like that when you're talking to like a robot on the phone, you hear them doing that fake typing sound to let you know that they're busy. All right,
It's so annoying. I hate
I
that.
know it's just like pointless. All right, so exam looks like it's all good. We're ready. Okay, so I've got the code. I'm going to paste it in the chat now, so keep an eye on that. Once you get the code, then you can take it for yourself. The exam starts when you paste it in and start. So don't take too much time from when you receive the code to paste it in, or else like if you're getting graded hours later, I mean, we're not gonna allow that. You have to take it within the 15 minutes you receive the code. Okay, so go get a bathroom break if you need it. Get some water, coffee, whatever you need, and then paste the code. When you're ready to be graded, you have to post in Discord that you're ready to be graded in whatever room you're in, and then either I or Kobe will respond. Just wait in your room, and if there's a list of people waiting to be graded at once, just wait there until we're able to go in there. So submit your exam, zip it up, submit it before your timer's up, and before you ask us to be graded. Okay, so the rooms are open. I am going to paste the code. I've pasted it. So there it is.
Wait, quick question, Joshua. We shouldn't leave the call until our test has been graded, right?
Right. Don't leave the Zoom room until your test has been graded. Even if you fail, even if you pass the timer, you don't make it, whatever happens, don't leave until we figure out what's happened. So good luck, everyone.